So you can have any toothpaste, you know. I got this Colgate, and you need a little brush, and after putting a little bit on this one, and what you can do is you can simply put the toothpaste on this one and rub like this, okay? Like that. So we are applying the toothpaste on this one and move in circles, you know, like this. Do not like this, okay? So you got to do like in circles, and similarly we can come here for the second one. I already applied the toothpaste. These lights are a little dim, and what you can do also is this one, and get a little bit water so that it can set it well. Move in circles like this. Similarly, what we can do is we can simply do this one too. Get a little bit of water and do like this. You can also sand it down, but let's try this one. Okay, clean it. You see, wow, they are so cleaned up now. Look at this one. You see, there's a clear difference now. So I think the results is perfectly fine with this one. Let's go the other one too. They're bright and shiny now. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Look at that lights. They were almost foggy and the yellowish. Now they're looking brand new. So I think this is the most satisfying result that ever I can see. And let me show the other one too. You see? Wow, they're clean.